Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I hope you're having a fine day this morning. I hope all is well with you and your families. Today, guys, I stopped in because I wanted to walk around my garden with you all and just share what is growing in my garden. Also, I did a little harvest and, yep, I'm gonna cook some barbecue honey garlic chicken wings. Yeah, we're gonna try that today. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoy your stay here. But first, if you are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I will be sharing his own 9 garden. Yay! 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 Yay!
Okay guys, today my mom is harvesting 2 varieties of beets. Alright, here's how the package look. They got some seeds in there. Alright mama, let's go.
Beets, baby. So, we have one here. You showing them, Joe?
I'm trying.
Bring it up. Yeah. There's one here.
Yeah.
And she's pretty big, but we're not going to get her today.
Let's see. Here we go. Alrighty.
Okay. We're going to get this one over here. So, could you see this one?
Where we at?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Oh, look. See, she's splitting. And that's why I got to take her off. You see it?
Yeah.
You want to make it larger?
I got it.
You got it? Okay, so let's take her up. Oh boy, she was laying right there. There she is.
Put it over here some.
Let me take these bad leaves off.
Okay.
Because we gonna eat this, the green part. And here is the beet.
Oh. Alright.
She's cute, huh?
She is. She's cutie.
Yep.
Cutie patootie.
Woo, what a blessing.
Yay.
Oh, what a blessing. Thank you.
Thank
All right,
you,
daughter.
Lord.
Amen. Amen.
Ah.
This is absolutely amazing. So Jada and I was out here yesterday. And Jada just took her hands and rubbed this. And before she can get her hands to her face, you can smell it. Like, I can smell this basil. This Thai basil is amazing, y'all. It's amazing stuff. I have some Mexican sunflowers that bloomed. More and more are blooming every day. Look at that. Putting on pods and getting ready to have a show. This is my guava. She's just growing real tall in here. I was thinking about even putting her in the ground, but because I think this pot here, she may be outgrowing this pot. Yeah. But anyway, guys, let's go cook something to eat. Huh? I'm always ready for that. It's been a beautiful day all day, but now we're getting a little overcast, and hey, that's all right with me. Yeah. Today, guys, I want to share with you all just some things I've been doing over here today. Yeah. I harvest a beet, and now I was going to cook it with my meal today, but I decided that I was going to cook it tomorrow when I harvest more of my greens, right? Yeah, so, but I will be cooking some of my barbecue garlic honey chicken wings. That's what I'm cooking, y'all. Yeah. But I want to thank you all for stopping by. I want to thank everyone who came out to the live last night. I had an amazing time, but I always do, y'all. Always do. But anyway, let's get started with this video. Yeah, my moonflowers. Yeah, they're running their course. Looks like we have a couple more to go before they are ready, but you should see here, she's making her seeds. I've harvested many. Jada been having a ball harvesting the seeds too. But baby, I got a big bag. I got a big bag. I got a big bag here. So this is my 100-gallon grow bag. Will you look at her? Huh? It's deep in there, baby. It's thick in there. She's a big girl. I love it. So we have kale, Swiss chard. There's some tatsoi, onions, garlic. Right here. 1,000-head kale. There's some red mustard greens in here. Just brassicas. Also have endive on the end. Just brassicas. She's full. I'm gonna harvest tomorrow. Yeah. I have my turkey. I have some turkey necks and turkey wings, but I'm gonna choose one to put in this, right? I'll bring you along with me, baby. So, of course, this is my arugula. Those two plants, endive. Jody's favorite Malabar spinach, yeah. And this is another beet here. There she is. But today, I harvest one. Yeah, man. That is so cool. But this, guys, so if you all can remember this plant, right? I have four plants here. And seriously, they are trees. So, this is who they are and where they come from. I started them from seed. And yes, they are trees. Yeah, but they all are doing well. Everything is doing great. I have some peas and beans growing back there. They're all doing great, but let me share this with you if I can get on the other side of this. It's getting so, walking down the aisles of my vegetables is getting to be really like this. That is a broccoli rabe. Yeah, yep. And this is my ground cherries. Look at that. They are so nice and healthy. And there's another one over here. She is full of ground cherries also. I'm looking forward to it, y'all. So, they all looking good. But I'm going to do a harvest tomorrow simply because I will not lose any of my vegetables to the bugs. Yeah, they're doing really good. Really good. But anyway, guys, I'm going to take you all inside. Here's some tatsoi over here. Some more broccoli rabe here. She got it. It's down there with it's there, right? Also, let me share this vegetable with you all. Here's another broccoli rabe. Celeriac. She got a big bottom. That's how you know who she is. This is that black magic kale. That's what that is. Let me bring this down. And of course, my bag of carrots. Yeah. I do have some more carrots that I dropped with you all. I'll share it in 1 second. So today you will see where I ate a lot of this tatsoi raw, just in a salad. It was so good, y'all. This is my Italian garlic on this side, and on this side, yep, that's carrots, and they're doing really good. Everybody's coming up. Just in case I forgot to share, let me get low with this, okay? This is mullein, and as you can see, we have germination. I am super excited about this. Super. Yeah. That's really cool. So let's go in, and I'm gonna cook my lunch. All right, guys. So this is my lunch for today, and the chicken wings are just to start a show, right? Here I have some arugula and tatsoi, and I have celery and tatsoi, because these on the tatsoi, her stalks is just so good. Really good. I love them. Of course, cheese and bread. And I have a Coca-Cola today. So, let me taste some of this. Yeah, I've been trying to get it, y'all. But this is my air fried chicken wings with my sweet honey. And of course, arugula and tatsoi. This is my French bread, butter, and cheese. So I made this dip with sour cream, chopped onions, I used some of this. It's really good. Really good. And of course, trusty Coca-Cola. Oh, y'all. It's so good. I hope you all have a wonderful day. Later, y'all.